Good morning, Junior 5. Today we are going to talk about the circle. What is the circle? Circle, it is a closed curve on which all points on it having the same distance from a fixed point. This fixed point is called the center. Let's say something about the circle. Circle, I name it by its center. The center of the circle, I donate it a capital letter. This capital letter is the name of the circle. يعني I can name this circle M. Okay, this is the center, and the center I name it by a capital letter. So a circle is named by its center. The center of the circle is called by a capital letter. We have a chord in the circle. We have a chord, a radius, and a diameter. What is the chord? What is the meaning of chord? Chord, it is a line segment that connects 2 points on the circle. This is a chord. It is a line segment connecting 2 points on the circle. This is a chord. This is a chord. Okay? Radius. What is the meaning of radius? Radius, it is a line segment from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So radius, it is a line segment from the center of a circle to any point on the circle, like MB and MC and MA. And when I am naming a radius, I start from the center. MA, not AM. I name it like MA line segment, MC, MB. Okay, this is the radius. Diameter, it is a chord that crosses the center of the circle. What is the diameter? It is a chord that crosses the center of the circle, or I can say it is the longest chord in the circle. A diameter, it is the longest chord in the circle that passes through the center, like AB. Okay. Page 83. Let's start. Dots is used in drawing the circle. Compasses is the tool used in drawing the circle. The length of all radii in the same circle are equal in length. Radii, it is the plural for radius. Okay, the sum of radius. The length of all radii in the same circle are equal in length. C. All the diameters of the circle are equal in length too. All the radii of the circle are equal in length. All the diameters of the circle are equal in length. D. The diameter is a chord that crosses what? The center. And we said that the diameter, it is the longest chord of the circle. E. The longest chord in a circle is called a diameter. F. The midpoint of any diameter is in a circle is center of the circle. The midpoint of any diameter, this is a diameter, and this is the midpoint for the diameter. It is what? The center of the circle. Question 2. AB is called what? AB is called diameter. It is the longest chord that crosses the center. CD is called a chord. CD is a chord. And CB2 is a chord. Question C. EM. EM. It is what? It is a radius. And MA is a radius too. MB a radius too. Okay. The point M is called what? The center of the circle. And this circle is called circle M. Question 3. A. Dots is called the longest chord. Remember, the longest chord, it is what? The diameter, which is AB. AB, it is a diameter, and it is the longest chord for the circle that crosses the center. Dots is called a chord. Chord, remember the definition for the chord? Chord, it is a line segment that connects between 2 points on the circle, like this, like AC. It is a chord, AC line segment. I am putting this means AB line segment and AC line segment. Question C. Dots is called a radius. We have MA radius, MB radius, and MC radius. Okay, any of these is a radius, and I start naming it from the center. Question D. AB equal how many centimeter? I will use the ruler and find the measurement for AB, and I will find it 3 centimeter. MB is half AB. A radius, it is half the diameter, which means that the diameter equal to R, 2 radius. When I am doubling the radius, it equals the diameter. So it will be half the 3, which is 1.5. Let's move to page 84. Question 3. Any chord passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter. Remember, any chord passing through the center and the longest chord or the greatest chord in the circle is called a diameter. Any line segment connects between any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. C. The length of a radius of a circle is 8 centimeters. Then, the length of the greatest chord means the diameter is what? Remember that we said before that the diameter equals 2r. It's double the radius. 1r equal 8 centimeters. Then the diameter 2r equals what? Equals 2 times 8, which is 16. Thank you, Junior 5.